Hi everyone, welcome to the Honest Food Guy Review. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Tyler, and I like to do food reviews, mainly unboxing and doing an unbiased review of the boxes that I get in my regular orders. Sometimes I'll order a new box, but I like to try it first for at least one or two, maybe three boxes before I actually give a full review and talk about it. I will state if it's the first time I've ever ordered it, because I will do that sometimes as well. But today we're going to focus on Revive Superfoods. And I have a box here. There we go. And I already unsealed it. But Revive Superfoods, and it is a smoothie company, and they like to call themselves home of the 30-second smoothie. So these smoothies, just to make sure I do this right, I want to make sure I give the exact numbers because this is something because I order so many, I don't get them in all the time, and I don't have one every day. They have a rewards program, which you can do 1 to 2 orders, 3 to 5 orders, and 6+ orders for Starter, Explorer, and Pro. But in their cart, you can do an order for 14, 7, or 21. So anything, like let's say it's 7 to 13, it's one price. 14 to 20 is one price, and then 21 to 24, which I think is the max you can do, is also another price. And those vary based on what you want to do. Now, I will have a promo code in my description of this video that'll give you 50% off your first order. And I highly recommend that if you do it, to order the maximum amount that you can. Now, give yourself a variety. You're going to see here very shortly that I don't have that big of a variety anymore because I've narrowed down exactly what I want and what I want to drink every day, and then restock it when it's low. So, and I shouldn't say every day because, like I said, I don't drink it every day, but I meant every time I actually go to go have a smoothie. So I want to look here. This is the 21 plus, and these are $6.99 a piece before that 50% off. So it's not a bad option, and then it goes up to $7.99 and $8.99 respectively, depending on which category you go with. So I can tell you now that I've narrowed it down. I only have 2 different flavors that I ordered, but I wanted to show you here. This is how it comes, and then it comes in this big bag, and it's literally like a pillow. And then I haven't looked in there yet to see what's in there, but it looks like some dry ice, which is totally gone. And then as well, looks like there's 2 straws in here. Normally you only get 1, so I'm surprised that there's 2. But they have a brush in there to clean those out with if your dishwasher can't get it at all. And then on the actual straw itself, it says Revive Superfoods. So, and then there's also in here a piece of cardboard that would separate that dry ice if there was any in there. And it just says, please read carefully to prevent injury from dry ice. Please follow all instructions carefully. So, all right. We already got that. There's none in there. So I'm going to put this back down before I get them out. But, like I said, there's only 2 flavors here. And they come stacked in different, like upside down and not upside down. So to get in here, the first one, which is one of the flavors I like to order, it is the Ready to Blend Revive Superfoods plus Jamba. It's their collaboration with Jamba Juice. Ready to Blend Tropical Strawberry 110 calorie smoothie. And it has a half gram of fat, 110 calories, 27 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and 20 total sugars, 2 grams of protein. No added sugars. So it has strawberries, peach, mango, dark red cherries, and acerola in it. And in that, I like to blend these with either an oat milk, an almond milk, a vanilla almond milk, and then I like to add, because it only has 2 grams of protein in it, a scoop of vanilla protein. And if not, I'll make it with juice or just water. But it's really, I mean, for what it is, it's really good. And I really do think that it tastes just like having a Jamba Juice at home. So it's nice to have that combination. And then, like I said, these are all going to be the same thing. So I want to find the other flavor, which I ordered 6 of. And that is the high protein mango ready to blend with 26 grams of protein in it. So that has mango, pineapple, banana, and vanilla whey protein. And it is 270 calories, 3 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 37 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 35 milligrams of sodium, and 26 grams of protein. So 26 grams is quite a bit. I mean, you can get, however many of your protein powders if you add a scoop onto that, but to have it built right in is awesome. So it's also an alternative there. And I know I got 6 of those, and the rest, I literally got the same thing there. So that's just what I like, and that's what I've narrowed it down to. Because mainly, it's because I don't really like having like chia seeds and other weird things in my smoothies. And if that's something you like, that's awesome. I highly recommend, ordering a couple to figure it out, but they just weren't for me. So now that I've narrowed it down, this is what I order. Sometimes I'll alter those amounts. I'll put more than 6 of these in there and lower those, but I have a very large drawer Hamilton Beach freezer that I got from Costco, and I just fill up a drawer with them. So once the drawer is empty or close enough to empty, I'll order it, and then I have enough to fill that up with. So again, I will put in a discount code in the description for 50% off your first order. That's currently what you're running now, and this is end of March of 2024. So I don't know when you're going to be reviewing this, but it does change. And that will give me whatever the promotion is running at the time. Now, I've stated before, I am not looking to make money in these videos. I guess the compensation in this part, if you want to consider that, would be the amount that I would get off my own box. But even those values, I think right now it's $110. You don't get all that at once. So it's split up, and really it's more of a pain in the butt to use it, but I'm really looking just to give you guys that discount code to make sure that there's one there. And it's not a sponsored video, and this is my true and honest opinion. So what else can you ask for, right? There's 2 flavors that I've narrowed it down to, and that's what I get. So good luck, and let me know in the comments what you think. Have you had it before? Are you considering trying it? Is it something new and you're just kind of, I don't know about it because it can be somewhat expensive after the first order? Let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. But don't forget that like and subscribe button so I can continue to make more content. Have a great one. Thanks. Bye.